As I told on the feast day of Ignatius, spiritual exercises is a 30 days retreat, silent retreat, no noise, no talking, no newspapers. Of course, TV didn't exist those days. Silently you pray and listen to God. Then Pope sent him to Germany because that time Luther had revolted against the church and his followers called Lutherans, Protestant group, the first Protestant group. So he went there and through his gentle ways, through his preaching, through his talking, through his retreat, he brought many more Lutherans back to the Catholic Church. Then the Pope asked him to go to Portugal and Spain and also to France. There also he did the same thing. He brought many people to Jesus. He changed their lives. Then Pope asked him, you go as my representative, as a theologian, to the Council of Trent. Trent is in the North Italy. You go there. Though he was sick, out of obedience he agreed, and he thought he will first go to Rome, and from Rome he will go to Trent. In 7 years he had traveled more than 7,000 miles on foot, walking. So when he came to Rome, he had fever. And in the arms of Ignatius of Loyola, he passed away. A great missionary, a great scholar, and brought so many people back to Jesus. We need such priests, such Jesuits,